Hello, children.
Talking about what we're going to do.
In the future is always fun.
Let's listen to this conversation and see how friends make exciting plans using going to and will.
What are you going to do on your holiday?
I'm going to visit my maternal uncle's home.
We are going to have ice cream. Will you join us?
Yes, I will.
Who will be the group leader?
I will be, sir.
Where are you going this afternoon?
I'm going to Kathmandu.
Will you visit Chitwan?
Of course I will.